Good morning, welcome to the online class of class 12. So today also we will discuss the chapter matrices. So that day we have discussed about the types of matrices. So today we will discuss equality of matrices. When two matrices are said to be equal. So equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. Please note it down. Equality of matrices. So two matrices. Suppose we take matrix as Aij and Bij. B, this one is I, this one is J, are said to be equal if first thing is their order should be same. They are of the same order. They are of the same order. Next, their corresponding elements are equal. Their corresponding elements are equal. Their corresponding elements must be equal. That is, Aij should be equal to Bij for all I and J. For all I and J, this Aij and Bij should be equal. Suppose for example 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose this is a matrix of order 2 into 3. Again we take one matrix. Suppose this matrix name is A. We take another matrix B. Then if these two matrices are equal, A is equal to B, then matrix B must be also of the same order 2 into 3. That is 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. Here also 2 rows, 3 columns. Here you see the first element is of the matrix A is 2. So of the matrix B, the first element also should be 2. The second element is 3. So here also the second element must be 3. Third element is 5. So third element must be 5. Again second row, first element is 6. So here also it should be 6. Here it is 7. So here also it should be 7. And second row, third column element is 8. Here also second row, third column element must be 8. Then we say A is equal to B. They should be of the same order. If their order is different, we can say they are equal. They are not equal. Their order must be equal. And the corresponding element of every element of corresponding element of A and corresponding element of B must be equal. Suppose here 3 is there and here minus 3 is there. Then these two elements are not equal. Then we say A is not equal to B. So their corresponding element must be equal. Suppose we take A as 7, 8, 9 and B we take as X, Y, Z. Then if A is equal to B, if A is equal to B, then what we do? We write this A 7, 8, 9 and this XYZ. then this x must be equal to 7, y must be equal to 8, and z must be equal to 9. So x must be equal to 7, y must be equal to 8, and z must be equal to 9. So the matrix B will come as 7, 8, 9. So for equality of matrices, we have to make the two matrices equal. Every corresponding element must be equal. Their order should be same and their corresponding element must be equal. Same will happen with any type of matrix. Suppose we take another matrix. Suppose 2, 3, 5, 7. Here we take 2, here x, here y, here 7. Here 7. Then if A is equal to B, they are equal or they are equal because it is of the first condition is satisfied because it has the order 2, it has also order 2. It is a square matrix of order 2, A is a square matrix of order 2, B is also a square matrix of order 2. So these two matrix first criteria is satisfied. Now to satisfy the second criteria, we have to make these two equal. 2, 3, 5, 7. 2x, y, 7. So here 2 is equal to 2, no problem. Here 3 will be equal to x, so x value will come 3. Here y value should be equal to 5, so y is 5. And 7 is already equal to 7. So in place of x, if we put 3, in place of y, if we put 5, then these two matrices A and B are equal. Now we'll go to exercise 3.1. Now let us move to exercise 3.1. Here one problem is there, 6, 3. It is given x plus y plus z, y plus z, x plus z, y plus z. And here it is given, the elements are given as 9, 5, 7. Here the elements are given as 9, 5 and 7. So if these two matrices are equal, then x plus y plus z must be equal to 9. Take equation number 1. This one and this one must be equal. This one and this one must be equal. X plus z must be equal to 5. Take equation number 2. Y plus z must be equal to 7. Take this equation number 3. Now you find out the value of x, y and z. So very easy to find out. Take equation number 1, x plus y plus z is 9. Now we know x and y plus z. Suppose y plus z we know, y plus z is 7. Put 7. We are using 3. Then x we get 9 minus 7. So x we get 2. Now again one number, x plus y plus z is 9. So x plus z plus y we get 9. Now x plus z we know as 5. Put 5. This one is using 2. So this one will become 9 minus 5. So y will come 4. So we got the value of x, y. Now go to equation number 2. X plus z is 5. Put the value of x 2. Since x is 2, so z will come 5 minus 2. So z will be 3. So This is the solution of the problem 6.3. So this is a very easy problem. So hope you have understood well. If you have any problem with this question, if you have any doubt, you can ask me through mobile, or you can WhatsApp me and ask. So thank you.